This is Kevin from Superwave Laser Technology Corporation. Now I want to show you our 600 watt fiber delivery automatic welding systems. This one is the laser cooling system. This one is the 600 watt laser roaster unit. This one is the 4-axis split plate workbench. This one is the tube. This one is the regular jig, just for welding this tube. Now I want to show you how to do welding. If you have any inquiry or problem, please contact Superwave Laser. Thanks for watching.